3 different kinds of tire compressors for your car. 2 of them are portable, 1 is not. Which one is worth it? Let's find out. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be doing a review of this tire inflator from Ryseab. Let's go. Now I got this product off of Amazon upon filming this video for $49.99. The link will be down in the description so if you're interested. Anyways, we're gonna be testing this out against 3 different air compressors or tire inflators. And we're gonna see if this product is actually worth it. First, let's do an unboxing of this product. The product comes in a plain white box with a picture of the actual item in the front and the word tire compressor on all sides of the box. When we open the box, we'll see the compressor itself. It supports fast charging with its USB-C port on the bottom. It has a decent sized screen, and on top you'll see where the tube goes in to connect to your tires, and an LED light. It has a couple of buttons in the front, which sounds a little cheap and clicky. What's cool is you have your different modes, like this mode right here, that's for your car. Yo, that scared the shit out of me. This button right here, once it's turned on, that's how you supply that air to your tire. So what's cool about this is that you have different modes. Like this one, for example, is for your car, and the way that you change it is to, if you press this button right here, and this one automatically goes to the motorcycle, and it has like preset tire pressures for you. Like if I were to go here, this is for your bike, so it's already preset to 30 psi. Basketball is preset to 8 psi, and then if we go back to the car, it's already preset to 36 psi. And the way that you set it is if you were to press these arrow buttons right here, down or up, if you want to increase or decrease the tire pressure. And again, like I did earlier, if you wanted to actually pump air on your tire, you just have to press this button again. If you want to switch to like a different system, you just have to press this little button right here on the bottom. So that's your KPA, whatever that is, kilogram per centimeter squared, and back to PSI. So pretty cool. It's a pretty universal device, so anybody that's in a different country can use this. And it's not that heavy. I would say it's about 3, maybe 4 pounds. So it's not heavy at all. And in the box we have your little tube that connects to your portable tire pressure inflator, your charger, a warranty card, as well as your instruction manual. And then we have a bunch of adapters right here. This one, then this one, and of course we have an adapter for our ball. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking off the air on the tires, just on this side, so that we can compare each tire compressor. Obviously we have the 2 portable compressors as well as the one that plugs into your car. So we're going to see the difference, see if they're worth it. This is Stalwart, and then right here is the one that I got from Amazon, which is from Ryseab. And then of course we have an actual air compressor right here. So we're gonna be testing it out. We're gonna be comparing all 3 of them to see if that is actually worth it, if it's better than this one, or we can get rid of that one and just have one of the compressors. So yeah, we're gonna find out. We're gonna take the air off of each tire. So this is automatically set to 36, but for testing purposes only, we're gonna set each at 32. Unfortunately, this one you can't set the pressure, so we're gonna have to manually pull the trigger on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have somebody help me. They're gonna be pulling the trigger on this one while I turn this one on myself. 3, 2, 1, go.
this one's at 15 psi, while this one claims to be at 32 psi, but we'll double check. $31.5. So there's really no competition here. This one made it to 32 psi, while the Stalwart was only at 15 psi. So obviously this one won by a mile. This one is trash. I don't recommend getting this, but I do have my approval for this product right here. So good stuff right here. And obviously, since the Stalwart didn't complete pumping this tire up, we're just gonna go ahead, grab our own pump right there and just pump it ourselves. And now it's time for subscriber builds, where I show off your builds on my channel. And today's first build is... Our first build is from Ryan, and he says, "Hey Chris, just wanted to say thanks for all the great content you've been putting out and hitting 10K subscribers. Here's my 2019 Civic EX hatchback. Some of the mods I've done to it is a PRL, a short ram intake, Mugen door bowl overlays, chrome delete, 32% tint, smoked side markers, carbon fiber front and rear emblems, yellow Laminex fog film, yellow fog lights, and 5500K HIDs. Next up, we have Katie's build, and she says, "Hey Chris, big fan of the channel. Your 2021 Sport is the reason I got mine. Started buying the upgrades before I even bought the car. You were close to where I live and even followed the page I got my hood wrapped. Small world. Upgraded the door handles, fog lights, tail lights, added a wing, and many other things. Keep up the good work. I love your videos." If you want your build to be featured on the channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on my channel. Man, my car is dirty. Oh, back to the video. Personally, I think this product is worth it. For $50, you not only get something that's light and portable, but it's also reliable because it's surprisingly powerful. Like, this actually pumped the tire up at the same time, or at the same rate as the one that I plug in the car. Whereas the DeWalt one, that one was kind of struggling. So after pumping air for about 3 minutes, the DeWalt only had 15 psi, whereas this one was already done at 32 psi. And we even pumped it up to 35 psi without any issues. I was able to pump up all 4 of my tires with only 1 bar remaining of battery left. So I could have pumped probably 2 more tires to 35 psi if I wanted to, and until the device would die. Now, the only thing that I can complain about is how there's like no support on this whatsoever. So if this is here, this will be all shaking, and like if you're not holding this, then there's a possibility that you can get the device all scratched up or damaged, or they could have added like some sort of rubber to this. That way it's not scratching on the road or the asphalt or anything. And for some reason, the USB-C cable is has like a deep socket. So like if I were using a Samsung or like a regular USB-C cable from a MacBook or something, then it won't be able to charge this. So what I did was I just used whatever charger they included in the box. But other than that, this product is amazing. It really surprised me. Anyways, guys, that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any suggestions on what videos that I should be making in the future. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, be sure to subscribe, because I do post 10th Gen Honda Civic content on the channel regularly. Also, if you're interested in LED lights or floor mats for your car, LastFit is the way to go. I myself has LastFit products on this car, and it's been about a year since I've installed the LastFit stuff in the car, and they've held up pretty well. I have no complaints over them, and I've never been disappointed. I will be linking LastFit's website down below in the description, and use my code CTFK7 for that 10% off. Also, if you're interested in this product that I showcased on this channel, I'll also be linking it down below. Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.